Why do we use the numbers 3' and 5' to name the ends of DNA? Remember that DNA runs in opposite directions, and this is called being anti-parallel. The 5' end is the end that ends in the phosphate group, while the 3' end is the end that ends in the sugar. You can see the 5' end, the phosphate group end, and the 3' end, the sugar end. The reason why we call these end the 3' and 5' has to do with the sugar molecule. Within chemistry, we name the carbons of a carbon backbone. And not getting into really deep specifics about chemistry, but you can see how we number them in this pentose sugar. The 1' end is going to connect the sugar to the base, while this 5' end is going to connect to the phosphate group. So that's why we call the phosphate group the 5' end. The 3' end is going to connect to the next nucleotide, however, it's going to have that OH group. So that's why we call it the 3' end for the sugar. So the whole reason we use the 3' and 5' is because of the number of carbons in the sugar molecule. And those numbers represent what it bonds to.